Introducing the 2008 Jeep Commander. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.